Welcome to Rockarmor's 12-volt battery box, your all-in-one 12-volt power solution. If you guys don't want to spend thousands of dollars on 12-volt for your vehicle, well, this is a solution for you. The battery box can be fixed in your vehicle, or it can also be used as a mobile power device around your campsite or workstation. It's pre-wired with a 25 amp DC to DC charger, which can be hooked up via Anderson plug straight to your car battery. Once you open your box, you'll be able to store your battery inside the actual box. Now, it accepts a lithium, deep cycle, AGM, any battery you like. It comes pre-wired with a positive and negative cable. And once it's connected to your battery, all you gotta do is just close the box back up and away you go. To connect this to your vehicle, all you gotta do is turn this around, and there's an Anderson connection right here, which goes straight to your car battery. Now, this accepts a double Anderson plug or also a triple Anderson for those late model vehicles that require a blue ignition cable. It's also got solar input if you want to charge this via solar. And it has a number of options of different Anderson plug connections for you to connect up other devices, as well as USB, SIGI, more Anderson connections, plus way more. So be sure to jump online right now at aussieoffroad.com.au or come visit the store or give us a call on 1300 554 923.